I feel like I would need something to carry these cars out of space, but what could it be? I found it! I'm gonna make a rocket that can send all of these cars to space. Right now we're gonna start at the top of the rocket. Right now just a bit of magic, and then we're gonna make them all like this. Right now I'm going to take the top of the rocket. It's not time to go inside, cars. No. Right now we're just going to put the wings on with a bit of magic. And we're done. We're going to have the wings, tape them like this. Then that's when we fly up and shoot at pizzas. Right now we're going to put on the wings. Now we're going to do this one. We're going to put on the second wing. Right now it's time to tape this here. And then it goes like this. And you can flip it around to another piece of tape. And then put on the other side. Right now we're going to cover it with paper, but before we're going to do that, we're going to take the paper and you could draw any window you want. And then we're going to stick it on here so we can see the cars inside. But now we're just going to put glue and water here. And glue and water here. We're going to keep sticking until it's all white. But we won't cover the window because that's where we're going to need to see the cars from. And if you haven't, make sure you subscribe. You can give us a big thumbs up. And if you want, you can go and check out our channel and watch the other crafting videos. This is what it looks like when it's done. And then we're just going to wait until it dries. We waited overnight and this is what it looks like. So now we are going to paint the rocket. There's so much colors I can't choose. Blue, red, and green. Now all the trucks have color. And then we have orange for fire. So first we're going to dip it in. Not use a lot of paint. You could use a lot of paint in big crafts, but not in small ones. There's just so much weight on the back. Now, no more wheels. Right now we're going to make the hair the color red. Right now we're going to make the orange wings. Yes, great. So dope. Right now I'm going to paint this part yellow. Right now we're just going to put some orange lines as flames. Right now we're going to outline the door. Right now I'm going to put the cars inside to go to space. And the last one. I can see them from the window. There you go. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Bye.